Hi Beelink fans, in today's video, we will teach you how to install the Ubuntu operating system on Beelink Mini PCs. First, prepare a blank USB drive with a minimum capacity of 8 GB. Back up any important data from your computer to prevent data loss during the installation process. Then enter ubuntu.com and click Download button to start downloading an Ubuntu image. Enter rufus.ie and download Rufus Writing Tool. Please be patient and wait for the download to complete. Insert your USB drive that will be used as a bootable disk. Launch Rufus and then the page will show whether to update. Choose No. Click the Select to the right of Boot selection. Select the Ubuntu ISO file and click on Open. Parameters with their default values and click Start to initiate the write process. You will be alerted that Rufus has detected that the Ubuntu ISO is an ISO hybrid image. Keep Write in ISO image mode selected and click on OK to continue. You may be alerted that Rufus requires additional files to complete writing the ISO. If this dialog box appears, select Yes to continue. Rufus will also warn you that all data on your selected USB device is about to be destroyed. Click OK to continue with this operation. After the writing process completes, you can safely remove the USB drive. Shut down your Beelink Mini PC, insert the bootable USB drive and then power on your computer. When the Beelink logo appears on the screen, press the F7 key repeatedly to enter the boot menu. Select your USB flash drive as the boot device and press Enter. Select Try or Install Ubuntu and press Enter to continue with the installation. Select the language you prefer. Click Next to continue the installation. Select Install Ubuntu and click Next. You will be asked to select your keyboard layout. And 1. Click Next to continue. Select I don't want to connect to the internet just now and click Next. You will be prompted to choose between the normal installation and minimal installation options. The minimal installation is useful for users with smaller hard drives or who don't require as many pre-installed applications. That you check the option Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and click Next to continue. This screen allows you to configure your installation. If you would like Ubuntu to be the only operating system on your disk, select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu and click Next to continue. PC currently has another operating system installed on the same disk. You can also choose to install Ubuntu alongside that OS rather than replacing it. After confirming the partitions, click on Install to proceed. Select the location and time zone on the map and click Next to continue. After filling in your information, click Next to continue with the installation. Select the theme based on your own preference and then click Next to continue. Sit back and enjoy the slideshow as Ubuntu installs in the background. Once the installation has completed, you will be asked to restart your PC. Click Restart Now. When you restart, you will be asked to remove your USB flash drive from the device. Once you've done this, press Enter. After the system reboot, you will be able to enter the Ubuntu desktop and start using the operating system.